Adopt a Biome by Spencer and Lorenzo.
Location and weather. The tundra is located on the top of the world near the North Pole. The tundra is very cold year-round. There is also this thing called permafrost, and it is when the top layer of the soil is totally frozen.
What makes it great? The tundra is a treeless area near the Arctic, little plant life, little rain, and the ground is always frozen.
The native animals. Reindeer in the summer eats grass, sage, herbs, and ferns. Arctic fox eats any small animals, birds, and eggs. Polar bear eats seals, beluga whale, birds. Arctic wolf eats reindeers and caribou.
Native plants. Arctic moss warms the ground so other plants can grow. Bearberry, low-growing bush, grows in non-nutrient-rich soil. Caribou moss grows on rocks and can go a very long time without water. Pasque flower only grows on a southward-facing slopes and is medically beneficial.
Organism relationships. Predators, fox and bunnies. Paradism, ticks and any animals with hair. Competition, fox and wolves. Cannibalism. Active fox follows reindeers to find food. And mutualism, fungus and algae.
Water, carbon, and nitrogen. When it rains in the tundra, the water freezes when it hits the ground. Nitrogen starts on the ground and turns into ammonia and helps plants grow. Aquatic Arctic moss gets the carbon from the water and also produces oxygen and glucose. And this is our food web and triangle.